Hello guys, welcome back. If you remember, I promised you that I will be explaining the logical operators after we learn if loops while I was teaching section 4. Okay, so I will tell you about the logical operators in this section as we have already learned if else, nested if, all the loops. Okay, I told that because the logical operators can be best understood if we know the if else loops. Okay, so open a new file. In this I'm going to discuss about logical operators. Okay, logical operators are nothing but ampersand or I'm sorry, this one. These are the symbols. This is for and, this is for or. So the difference between bitwise and logical operators is bitwise contains only one ampersand and only one or gate, but in logical operators we are going to use ampersand and two straight lines. Okay, so what we need to do it first is hash include stdio.h in main, and I'm going to initialize two variables. Okay, two integer variables, int a and b, int a and int b. Okay, int a equals, suppose we initialize it as 90 and b as 110. So I'm going to write a if loop inside which I'm going to give the condition as if a less than 100, I'm sorry, a less than 200, ampersand a less than 150, I'm going to print inside first for if loop. This is if loop, right? If loop. We need to keep it in quotations. Okay, and the same condition another time, but this time we are going to use OR gates. Okay, printf inside second if loop. Okay, second if loop. So I'm going to write here like \n so that it will be a new line. I'm going to compile. This is logical operators, so I'm going to name it as logical. Save. You can see both the statements gets printed. Okay, so before I'm going to explain it more clearly, I'm going to explain you one thing. Okay, ampersand means both conditions should be true, and for or any one condition should be true. Okay, that's it. So what both conditions should be true in order to get inside a for loop. One condition may be true in order to get inside the for loop. So see, sorry, one is A and another is B. Okay, see now what will happen, both the loops gets executed. Okay, so A is less than 200, true. B is less than 150, true. So both are true, both the conditions are true, so that it will print whatever it may be, the condition. What if one condition gets false? B is 110, but we write B less than 100 here and also here. So you will get to know the main difference now. See, only one statement gets executed. See, only the second loop inside the second if loop. So second loop is the thing which got executed, because second one we have used or means what? Any one condition may be true. If one condition gets true, then we'll get executed, no problem. So A is less than 200, it's true, so it will be printed. Even though the second one is false, the inside the printf inside this if loop gets printed. But for ampersand symbol, both the statements should be true. If even one statement is false, the printf statement will not be printed. See, A less than 200 true, but B less than 100 is false. That's why it's not printed. Both conditions should be true. So here one condition is false, so this isn't printed. That's it about logical operators. It's very simple. In logical operators, we use ampersand and or symbols. Okay, for ampersand symbols, we should have both the conditions true, then only it will get executed. For or, even if one condition is true, it will get executed. Okay, that's the main difference. Okay, this is all about logical operators, and I want to conclude this section. In this section, we have learned about flow control or looping statements. Those are nothing but they will alter the flow of the programming. Okay, so the program gets executed inside the main from line to line. But whenever we use flow control statements or looping statements, it can alter the flow. If this condition is not true, this line will not execute and will go to the next if loop. Okay, so the main use of flow control is to control the flow of the execution. Okay, so this is all about flow control or looping statements. Inside this we have seen if statements, switch statements, for loop, while loop, do while loop, nested if, break, and this logical operators also we have seen. As I promised, I have completed this logical operators in the last video. So overall, this section we have completed this section. Next section contains arrays. Okay, so let's discuss arrays in next sections. No need to hurry in this section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.